Hello, good evening students. Today's transcription number back of 77 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. There is a fear that with the financial accounting year coming to a close, the bonus question will come up, and this government, which has no other policy except to fleece the workers and its employees, will come forward with a sort of an ordinance or a bill by which they will deprive the workers of their bonus, or they may ask them to deposit it with the government. As I said earlier, this government must decide about its policy. The government must come out with the decision to have a national pay policy for all the government servants, including those of the state governments, and therefore it is very essential that a national pay commission should be appointed to decide the policy so that the working classes and employees can cooperate in the economic development of the country. I find that the government is not taking any steps to prevent black marketing or to run the public distribution system effectively. Hardly 4 lakh public distribution shops have been opened, as against the total population and the working class population. It is a very meager number. Therefore, the worst affected persons due to the rising prices are the poor people, the toiling masses, and the entire working class. Therefore, sir, my submission is that instead of continuing such schemes and having only piecemeal legislations, will the government decide a price policy for stabilization of the cost of living, which is very essential to have more economic development and prosperity? If they really want the employees to be partners in industry, the government must accept in principle that the fruits of prosperity must be shared by the working classes, and therefore the time has come when participation of labor in management has got great importance. Otherwise, we are caught in such a vicious circle that no progress can be made. What is happening now is the rich are becoming richer and all the black marketeers are having a field day. We have heard of the prices of land in Bombay and other things, and how everything is being exploited by the big businessmen, smugglers, and others who are having a field day in the country. Therefore, I am opposed to this type of ordinances. Sir, the government has adopted a novel method for solving the economic problems of our country. When the budget was presented, they did not spell out the terms. In fact, a bill with the necessary fiscal measures should have been thought of when the budget was presented, but in the budget session, nothing was done. Recently, the prices of petrol and other petroleum products were increased without any indication in the budget.